I think this is it. I think it's it. My heart is racing. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to a new video. It is Tuesday, July 21st, I believe, and I'm currently standing on a chair at my office overlooking a FedEx truck because something that's in there is very special, and I see them right there. So there's no logos on the box. Are you ready for this, dude? I'm shaking. I don't know what they are.
Good?
Yes.
There you go, man.
Thank you, brother.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day. Okay, don't look at the shipping label. That catch you off guard? Do you have any guess at what these could be?
My guess
Okay.
is BBS E88's. Gotta be the gold face, polished lip, 11-inch, 18 by 11 on the rears, 18, but I don't know the front.
Guessing the sizes?
Yeah.
That's what you think these are?
That's what I think. But
What's another option?
FIRs, but you keep talking about how they're being built, so you don't build an FIR. It's like.
So you've been doing a little bit of recon.
I've been thinking. I think they're 88's. They gotta be. I mean, why would you go with anything different? You balled out. And why would you not ball out on the best?
I thought you were gonna start rapping right there. You balled out. I was like, all right, first thing I need you to do. Read the shipping label.
Yup. Yeah, that's one guess right.
So you're halfway there, I think we need to we gotta take us out into the main room because we need some room.
Yeah.
Let me get a picture of them here. Okay, moment of truth. Time to unbox these. If you guys watched my inventory video, you saw that we did the unboxing out here too. It's just like the best environment, right? It has a lot of room.
Yeah. The aesthetic is on point.
So I don't know if I'm gonna title the video what these are, but once I get these unboxed more, I want to get Nate to come out here too. I was gonna make like a big talk about it, but I think we'll do that on the podcast.
Yeah. And this is my first time, obviously, seeing these too. I have no clue what he got.
I didn't tell anybody. I made sure not to tell a single person.
Yeah. So
maybe, you know who I told? I told Wendell.
see the lips.
Oh, dude, they're upside down, but they're still so sick. Nate, we need Nate.
Crazy. Wait, let me pause this.
I want to get as much reaction as we can.
Yeah. Hey, how's it going?
What's up, bro?
Something good?
Moment of truth. I haven't seen these yet. I literally just ordered them, and it took 3 weeks to build, and today is finally the moment of truth. You don't know what they are, do you?
No.
Parker, you have no idea?
I think I guessed it.
I think you guessed it. So I'm gonna hold the wheel up so you can see it first.
Okay.
Yo, why they so
Oh my god. I knew it. Dude. No way.
The color on that is ridiculous.
I haven't even seen them yet.
What?
Hey, you want to place it?
Dude, I knew that's exactly what you got, but that's crazy. Oh my god.
Dude, I'm like straight up shaking right now.
Wow.
I've never bought custom wheels before, or I've never bought like high quality wheels. This is actually my first time. So this is like legit experience for me.
Is this like a 3-piece?
Yeah, it's a 3-piece E88. And I think these are the front too.
What's the offset on this thing?
They're pretty aggressive.
Yeah.
So crazy. Damn.
You see it?
Oh my god, bro. That's wild.
Wow.
Dude.
What do you think?
That's like the nicest wheel I've ever seen.
This is by far, like, when it comes to wheels, I've never had something this high quality. And I thought these wheels may be a little bit heavy, but pick them up, dude.
Try it.
They're super light. Isn't that
big of a wheel,
crazy?
that's
So, it's almost look like it can fit my car.
Wow. Oh yeah, for sure.
E86.
That's crazy.
Damn.
And these are the fronts, you said?
I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we got 3 more to unbox. So this is the ultimate unboxing. Are these? Oh, these are upright, so you'll see the wheel right here. Oh, dude, so good. I'm on my tiptoes right now. Nobody knows that though. Oh.
Crazy, man. Those barrels are crazy. How they just line up like that.
Everyone's getting new things.
Damn.
You got that spec plant.
Those E88's?
Yeah. Sick, man. Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
When you put them on?
Tomorrow.
Sick.
Yeah. I'm anxious. Watch the plant. You know, Parker, I want to give you the experience unboxing. Let me film you doing it.
Really?
Yeah.
You giving me some airtime?
Yeah, I'll give you some airtime.
Thanks. So these, you think these are the rears?
I think so. I don't know. I didn't read the specs on these ones. Are there numbers on it anywhere? It should be printed on one side.
You see that? Made in Germany. I don't know.
Well, these are 2 different sizes. Oh wait, yeah. That's a rear. That's a front.
Oh. Yeah,
That's
that
18 by 11. That's 18 by 10 and a half.
Oh, that's why it doesn't look super different.
Yeah.
That's wide for the front.
I know, it's -3 degrees camber up front to fit.
I don't trust Park with the scissors.
Damn.
Is that Mark Zuckerberg's Pro Surfer?
So what?
Mark Zuckerberg Pro Surfer, the video game?
Oh yeah. I'll find that.
Oh wait, no, these are the same.
What?
Oh wait, these just don't have these. Oh my bad. Okay.
Let's do, let's put this on the ground.
Look at that.
I've never experienced high quality wheels like this before.
That is fresh.
That's a wide wheel, bro. Damn. I'm just impressed at how lightweight they are.
Yeah.
Did you pick one up yet? Pick one up, see how it is.
What?
For being a wheel that big, right?
Wow,
Isn't that nuts? I was under the impression it would be way heavier. You got it, Parker?
cardboard.
Yeah, I got you. Pull on it. So these are center pocket with no center cap. So you see everything's exposed.
This one got the sticker of approval. It says OK on the very inner spoke, which is good. So these wheels are OK. These little numbers right here. I don't know what that means, but made in Germany.
I don't know what to say.
I think just like this.
Just right in the middle.
Like that.
Wow.
What do you think, Parker?
Even the hardware used.
The back of it's insane.
The hardware is beautiful.
Dude,
Are these ARP bolts or what?
So, the weirdest thing is that I've dreamt of having wheels like this since I was like 15. What?
This is a rough finish, so it doesn't debead.
Oh.
So this is where the bead of the tire actually mounts up. So then, I'm assuming because people use these so much on the track that they have to have like a grippy edge to them.
I didn't know that. Yeah, I'll get a couple more. I want to do some more.
what do you think, man?
I think these should be mine.
Is that your opinion?
Yeah.
Dude, these wheels feel so legit.
Or you?
A lot of you guys probably know that I'm a huge fan of the Nürburgring cars from Team Schirmer and from a bunch of other companies out at the ring. And I remember watching YouTube videos roughly the last 10 years of cars that run BBS wheels. And the funny thing is, when I first started seeing this wheel, the E88, I wasn't a big fan. I thought they were kind of weird looking, that I didn't understand the motorsport aspect of it. I more understood of like the look. I never understood why these wheels cost so much. And as time went on, I started to learn the quality of parts, the history behind BBS wheels, and just so much more beyond that, that once I started seeing them on all the cars that were doing the fastest laps, that were represented by the best racing teams, and not just that, I'd go to the Grand Prix in Long Beach and I would see all these cars running the same style with huge lifts for, for race cars. And that really inspired me to start to really understand the quality of these wheels and the history. So when I started to look into purchasing a set, I reached out to my friend Brett Slicer. If you know him on Instagram, his name is Slicer M. And I want to get you guys the exact details of these wheels so you can understand the actual fitment. Okay, so this fitment on my car is going to be, it's a BBS E88, they're 18s. The front is an 18 by 10 ET15 with a 2.5 inch lip. The rears are 18 by 11 ET24, 2.5 inch lip as well. Now I had the option to wait another month to do the 3-inch lip. From what Brett said, it doesn't make a huge difference, and honestly I just wanted E88. So when I spoke with Brett, I told him this is kind of what I was looking for. I sent him a couple pictures of cars that I wanted to kind of replicate, and it was the gold face with the polished lip. I love that look. I'm obsessed with it. Coming from experience, I've owned, I think, 4 or 5 sets of Apex wheels and a bunch of other name brand wheels. This is actually my first set of like the highest quality wheels I've ever purchased, where this puts a whole new perspective on me, feeling a little bit better representing the E90X community of higher quality parts. If you guys know, I have the Eventuri airbox, now I have E88's, and then I have a lot more planned. But these get mounted tomorrow, and I have a full day of work, so we're gonna get back to work, and then I'll check in with you guys in just a little bit.
They're sick. I mean, when you think of like getting wheels for your car, this is like the best ones you basically can get. Like I don't have a wheel above this, or I don't see any other wheels as like better than this. You know, to me this is like really cool to see, because eventually one of these days I'm gonna order a set for myself too. I mean, I'm nowhere near affording these, but
one day
it's pretty cool. One day
soon. I remember when I was younger, I was like, there's no way I can afford, paying that much for wheels.
Yeah.
But now I'm at the point where I'm like, holy crap, this is a dream come true.
Yeah.
Which it'll happen one day.
Yeah. So it's like, and it's literally like the perfect specs too. Every single E46 and E92 that basically all the track junkies at the Nürburgring, they all run this. This is like the go-to wheel.
I'm still tripping.
And on a black car, that gold and the polish, it's gonna pop, 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 pop.
So these are the tires that I'm actually gonna run. These are the Yokohama A052, and I was recommended these from Brett Slicer, the guy who built my wheels, his Slicer Spec, which is 265, 35, 18. And then the rears are 295, 30, 18, which is a Schirmer spec over in Germany. The 295 in the rear, 265 in the front. And I've actually ridden in Brett Slicer's car, and these feel amazing. Price point, a little bit expensive, but I'll put on the screen right here the cost. You can see these are pretty meaty in the rear, which I think will be nice and grippy. And the sidewalls look really clean. They almost look like an R888, but I think cleaner. So, hello? Damn. Good timing.
Yeah. What's up, buddy?
Hey, Manny, how are you?
Good.
What are you?
You make a living?
I know, I feel you on that. You guys filming today?
Yeah, just for the YouTube channel.
Oh, cool. Hey, can you bring me something that I can put my wheels on for my trunk? Okay, so I gotta drive very slow, but I'm gonna go over to Precision to show my friends my wheels, because they've been waiting. I've had a moment to be by myself. I'm driving over to Precision Dynamics, where my friend Mike, who owns a shop in Kennedy, and all my friends are over there. And they've been guessing like what wheels I got, because I haven't told anybody. I ordered these like 3 weeks ago from Slicer, full Slicer Spec E88's. And it's been my dream wheel for, I don't know, man, 12 years maybe? Like I said, I wasn't sure at first, and now I'm in love with these, man. I've been in love with these wheels for the last couple of years. And it's a very special moment to share with not just my friends, but with you guys on YouTube. Like, you guys made this come true. Like, my affiliate marketing paid for this. I had my record month last month or 2 months ago, and I took the money and bought BBS wheels from affiliate marketing. This didn't even come from my agency or from my YouTube channel. This came from affiliate, which I've been doing for about a year now, and I'm very thankful to be where I'm at with it. So thank you guys for all the support. Thank you, Brett, Slicer, and I don't know what I would do without my friends if I couldn't share this. If I just got these wheels, I'd be like, whatever. You know, I'd be stoked, but to share this with my friends, it means a lot to have good people around me, and it's just special, man. It's not just car parts. It's not just cars, man. This is like, it's a lifestyle, you know, and this is something I cherish a lot, so. You ready?
Today's the day.
I need Mike too.
Let's come take a gander real quick. This is the holy grail. Holy grail? You found the relic, bro. The lost tomb of Jesus. What's up? What up? Alright, here we go.
Hold on,
Let's check out these XXRs.
You ready?
Yeah.
Thank you, man. Thank you, brother.
All these years that I've known you, that you've always talked about these wheels.
For like 5 years now, dude.
Yeah.
I finally got them. I just did a whole unboxing and I was like, how are these mine? I was so excited, man.
Hey, BBS gang.